Okay. Wow. Here's the actual AirTag itself. 1 meter C. It's on my left. Hey, what's up guys? In today's video guys, I'm actually unboxing my all new Apple AirTag. That's right, my single AirTag. So here's a box. I've covered the actual label with wet paper and I have a knife in case I need it. Okay, let's go ahead and unbox it. So what do we do? I believe we begin from here. Cut off the tape, open it up, and there's the inside guys. It's saying AirTag on the package inside of it. It's got some kind of cellophane in here to hold it down. Let's pull it out, and there it is, AirTag. Let's put this box off the side now. Okay, there's the back of it guys, absolutely wonderful. I'm seeing right off the bat there's a green tag down here. Okay, so it says AirTag with a logo down here, some writing, side nothing, top nothing. Alright, so let's go ahead and now pull the green arrow. So satisfying. There you go, it's off. And we're now able to open it up and see what's inside. Okay, the pull tab here. Let's pull it out. Wow, AirTag. Okay, it's got some writing in here, like kind of like pamphlets. Safety and handling, regulatory compliance. Okay, 1 year limited warranty, and I'm not seeing any Apple stickers. Too bad. All right, put those back. Perfect. And here now is the actual AirTag itself. Okay, let's open it up. Goes this way. Wow. It says here number 1, update to the latest iOS or iPadOS. Okay, turn on Bluetooth, then pull tab. Okay. Wow. Here's the actual AirTag itself. Hold near device and follow on-screen instructions. Then on the back, not much. And then guys on the other side, the actual product itself. Okay, and I believe we just simply take it out. Wow, it's packaging guys. The wind's blowing it away, so I just throw it off the side. Okay, so guys, here's the actual AirTag itself. Oh my goodness, there's a wrap on it, so I'll go ahead and unwrap it. There's the unwrapping of it and the front portion of the wrap, and there we go. Oh, and then you pull the tag to activate it, basically to get the battery going. Okay, put off to the side, and there it is. It's a nice shiny white button, and the back it has the Apple logo with AirTag logo, and designed by Apple in California, and seeing here guys, ultra wideband chip inside here as well. Alright, there we go. The unboxing of my all new AirTag. So let's guys go ahead now and start to use it. Let's pull out my iPhone and get it all set up. And now guys, I'm back indoors, right here on my table. I've got my iPhone 12 Pro, okay. I currently have Wi-Fi and Bluetooth enabled on it, okay. So when you put your AirTag, I've got it right here on my left hand, close to your iPhone or iPad, it should automatically come up in order for you to connect with it. And there it is guys, AirTag. You see the actual item on the screen, circling for us. Alright, press connect. Okay, I'm going to put now bike. Continue, because I want to see if I actually can put this in my car and it'll work. Okay, and it's saying to register my AirTag to my Apple ID. That's fine, continue. Okay, it's saying my name and then bike. And then setting up. Wonderful. It did it. Okay, it's got the bike logo, the blue dot of where my location is right now, and it's saying my name and then bike with the blue dot with you. Okay, precision finding, play sound, directions and maps. Okay, done. And that's it, we're all set up. Absolutely wonderful guys. So guys, starting off, you go to the Find My app. Alright, and then in items, you'll see the actual AirTag item here listed. Okay, it says my name and then bike, and the address is located at, okay, with the blue dot on the map and the actual icon of a bike. Correct. Okay, Alright guys, so now here I'm outside my house, outside of it actually, okay? I've got my Find My app on my phone here, my iPhone 12 Pro. We can play a sound and see where it's located. I hear it down there, it's a faint noise. Okay, it only played for about 3 seconds unfortunately. Alright guys, so in here, in my name's bike, you can do Find Nearby. Okay, it's saying it's about 9.2 meters away, and we heard the sound going this way, so let's go this way and find it. See, 9 meters, 8 point whatever, 7 point whatever. Okay, so let's see, where is it? Now we're 4 meters. Yep. Now we're down to 1 meter. See, it's on my left, so let's go left here. Okay, nearby. Okay, if you look up here, there's a strange plastic bag. So you put the phone to the bag, it says here. Aha! We found it. Basically in this bag. Let's get the bag down. It's saying here, so I found it. Now let's go back to the table and see if it's actually in the bag or not. Alright guys, now going in the bag, I find this piece of paper, like a napkin. Okay, let's open the napkin. And there it is, the AirTag. Absolutely wonderful guys. And as you guys can see, it's circling now my phone as well. And said here. So guys, that concludes my quick tutorial on how to find your items that your AirTags are currently on. So there you have it guys. That was the unboxing and quick demo of the Apple AirTag. Please guys, drop a huge like on this video, share and subscribe. Take care, have a good day, and I'll see you guys on an upcoming video. I absolutely love my new AirTag.
Keys.